It'll be no sweat.
Let's put the moves on. Green.
Green.
Wait,
Blue.
Home.
Purple.
Purple.
Green.
Green. Home.
You think you got it? This time it's for real. Green.
Green.
Home.
Home.
Purple.
Purple.
Green.
Green. Home. Nice job.
See that?
Looking good.
Anybody need some pad? Some pad?
Nope.
Now that everybody's all warmed up, we're going to do those same nice easy moves as last time.
But now we're going to do them twice as fast.
Oh yeah!
Here they come.
Green.
Green.
Home.
Home.
Purple.
Purple.
Home.
Home.
Green.
Green.
Home.
Home.
Purple.
Purple.
Home.
Home.
Jump. Now it's your turn.
Taxi,
Green.
Green.
Home.
Home.
Purple.
Purple.
Home.
Home.
Green.
Green.
Home.
Home.
Purple.
Purple.
Home.
Home.
Jump.
That was
Almost like the doing it right. When the boy says purple, where the boy is at, you move it, you move the feet. And when there's just only one feet. Oh. You got that?
I think you got the idea now.
No, they still don't have it.
Ready to step it up a little?